Our next assignment for Module 10 in Access is Independent Challenge 4, Explore, on page 277. For this one, we are not using a blank database. We're going to use a template called Contacts. So open Access and click Contacts, and you'll name it right away. And this one is going to be 10-Contacts, and then choose Create. So the first thing that happens when you open up a template from Microsoft, it'll have like a place where you can watch a video. It's under 2 minutes if you want to watch the video discussing what this contacts database is. But for right now, we'll just choose Get Started. Make sure you enable the editing. This is safe. It's directly from Microsoft. And then OK. No. And I'll just get started again. I had to do that twice because of the enable. So when you come on to it, it's already created. It has all of the field names already, new, first name, last name, company, job title, category, and so forth. And we're in what's called Contacts List, and that's a form. So if you wanted to go ahead and look at what's under the tables and the settings, you can. We're also going to be working with two reports, the directory and phone book. So right now we're in Contact List, and we're going to fill our first information here. So we'll click New, and you'll get a dialog box, and we're going to fill in the information. I'll type it for you and show you. It's also on page 277, and you'll use Tab as you go along in the cells. So you'll fill in all of the information, first name, last name, company. It is showing all of it. You just can't see it. It's cut off. His job title, email, some information you will not be putting in, so we'll skip the web page. The category is not personal, it's actually business. And then you'll fill in the street, tab, city, state, zip code, country, and over on the far right you'll choose, you'll type in the telephone number. So that's all the information for one contact person. So we'll do another one. Click Save and New, and we'll do the next one. For the second record, when you start the company name and you start typing it, it knows that, or it's hoping that it's the same company name, so it'll save you some time. Just press Tab or Enter, and then again change the category to personal. From personal to business, and then fill in the rest of the information. Now, if you actually had a picture of the person, you could choose Edit Picture and go to your Pictures folder and select the picture of the person. We're going to do one more, and we'll click Save and New, but this will be your information, and you feel free to make up some a title for yourself. Again, when you type the company name, it recognizes it, so you can just press Tab or Enter, and then give yourself a title and put your last name and the same email address, powerspooncatering.com, business, same street, city, state, everything the same, and I just changed the business number to two separate numbers. If I wanted to add a fourth record of information, I would click Save and New. Instead, I'm just going to click Close, and it'll automatically save the third one. So go ahead and choose Close. And you can see that by the information here. If you have trouble seeing the corporate spoon, if you wanted to, you could double click company, the boundary, so you can see all of it. And the same thing with job title and the email address, so you can see all of the information, and you can scroll across. Okay. So there you have it. Now this is showing you the contact list. If you double click directory, it'll give you a report in alphabetic order of the contact list. If you were to choose phone book, it'll give just the names and their business phone numbers. So I have the phone book group and the directory. So it's already been created for us as a report. And there's our original contact list. So we'll close out of both the phone group and the directory. So close those, and then we'll click Save. And then we'll close out of the contact list. And then you'll save and submit this as a database. Thank you.